Good morning, guys. Good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are doing well. And I am your French teacher, Mr. Rawat. Today I am going to teach you one more chapter, chapter number 2, class 8th French book. And I hope you all will enjoy the chapter with me. So now let's get started. Connaissez-vous Jeanne d'Arc? Do you know the Joan of Arc? So connaître is a verb, okay? Yes, here. C'est une grande héroïne d'histoire de France. This is a great heroine of the history of France, right? She was a great heroine of the France. So ces enfants de 16 ans habitent avec ses parents très peu dans le village de Domrémy, en Lorraine. This young girl of 16 years, lived with her parents, very pious, very devotional, in the village of Domrémy in Lorraine. Domrémy en Lorraine is a region in northeast France, okay, where she was born and she used to live with her family, right? Son père est fermier. Her father is a farmer, right? Père means farmer. Et il a deux moutons and he has sheep. Il a des moutons. He has some sheep. Mouton means sheep. Jeanne aide sa mère et elle garde aussi des moutons. Aide means help. Garde means to watch, to look after. Also means also, right? So it means Jeanne helps to her mother and she look after also the sheep, right? Now the paragraph number 2. Un jour, elle est dans la chambre avec des moutons. A day, she is in the field with the sheep. Okay? Yes. Elle entend une voix mystérieuse. She heard or she hears a mysterious voice. Voix means voice. Mysterious means mysterious. La voix dit, the voice says, Jeanne, allez savoir. Means Jeanne, now go to the save la France, the enemy, the France from the enemies. Jeanne, go to save the France from the enemies. Elle a peur. She got afraid. Peur means to be afraid. Elle attend la même voix tous les jours. She hears the same voice every day, right? So guys, one more thing I want to tell you, that whether this is a history, this is a story, so here they should have used past tense, but as we know that you have just started learning French, so they have written all the text in present tense, okay? So don't get confused and use only present form of the verb, right? And try to understand the text carefully. Okay, my dear, now the next is allons, well, elle va, alors, well, elle va au roi Charles VII. She goes to the King Charles VII. Elle demande du roi une armée. She demands an army from the king. She demands from the king an army. Le roi donne une armée. The king gives an army et met Jean à la tête and makes the Jean the chief. Okay, literally it means and put Jean at the head, but it means and make the Jean the chief of the army. Elle conduit l'armée contre l'ennemi. Conduire means to conduct. Contre means against. Okay, she conduct the army against the enemy. Elle gagne une victoire. Gagne means to win. She wins a victory. Important in the Orléans. Orléans is again a region in the France, right? Puis elle gagne beaucoup de victoires, and then she wins a lot of victories, lot of battles. Et enfin means at last. Charles devient means to become le roi de France, and at last Charles becomes the king of France. Paragraph number 3. Jeanne est content, mais le roi Charles s'amuse. Content means happy, s'amuse means enjoy oneself. Jeanne is happy, but the King Charles enjoy himself. et ne fait pas la guerre, and don't do the war. Guerre means war. Bientôt, very soon. L'ennemi attaque. The enemy attacks. The enemy attack. Arrête et fait prisonnier the Jeanne Arroy. And arrête means arrest. Fait prisonnier means make her prisoner. And they arrest her and make her prisoner. Jeanne in the Rouen. Again, it's a place. They have kept her in a jail, and they kept her in a jail in Rouen city. Right. Elle déclare que Jean est une sorcière. They declare that Jean is a witch. Sorcerer means witch. Brûle means burn. Brûcher means pyre or stake मतलब चिता. Okay. Et brûle Jean dans un brûcher, and they burn Jean in a pyre or stake. Right. Next paragraph. Maintenant à Rouen. Now in Rouen city, on trouve une statue de Joan d'Arc. We find a statue of Joan d'Arc. Okay. Here it is. They have made the statue of the Joan d'Arc. Okay. So you can look at the pictures. They have given the pictures, the statues of the great heroine. Right. Now come back to the passage. The paragraph. Okay. Et une belle église. Église means church, and a beautiful church, and a endroit the bûcher, and a beautiful church in the place of bûcher means now they have constructed a church in place of that pyre, that stake, where they tried to burn her. Right. Yes. They burn. Oh yes. Les Français n'oublient pas la grande héroïne de France. The French people, oublier means forget. This is a negative sentence. The French people do not forget the great heroine of the France. Et elle est le symbole éternel du courage. Okay, symbol means symbol, eternal courage. It's very simple, you can understand it. And she is a eternal symbol of courage, of the patriotism, and of devotion. Et du dévouement. Okay, guys. So now we have done it, and I hope all of you have got it very well. Still, if you have any query, any doubt, please comment below in comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe it, and please share it with your friends. Thanks guys, meet you on next video.